The different municipalities comprising the province of Maguindanao del Sur in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARMM region. The province of Maguindanao del Sur has the municipality of Buluan as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARMM region. It is composed of 0 city, 24 municipalities, and 287 barangays. It was founded on September 17, 2022. The total land area is 5,471.74 kilometers squared or 2,112.65 square miles. The province of Maguindanao del Sur borders Cotabato Province to the east, Maguindanao del Norte to the west, and Sultan Kudarat to the south. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Maguindanao del Sur. We have the municipality of Ampatuan with 11 barangays, municipality of Buluan, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 7 barangays, the municipality of Dato Abdullah Sangki with 10 barangays, municipality of Dato Angkal Midtimbang with 7 barangays, the municipality of Dato Hofer Ampatuan with 11 barangays, municipality of Dato Muntawal with 11 barangays, municipality of Dato Paglas with 23 barangays, and the municipality of Dato Piang with 16 barangays. We also have the municipality of Dato Salibo with 17 barangays, municipality of Dato Saudi Ampatuan with 8 barangays, municipality of Dato Unsay with 8 barangays, municipality of General Salipada kay Pindatun with 19 barangays, municipality of Gindulungan with 11 barangays, municipality of Mama Sapano with 14 barangays, and the municipality of Mangudadatu with 8 barangays. We also have the municipality of Pagalungan with 12 barangays, municipality of Paglat with 8 barangays, municipality of Pandag with 8 barangays, municipality of Raha Buayan with 11 barangays, municipality of Sharif Agwak with 13 barangays, municipality of Sharif Seydona Mustafa with 16 barangays, and the municipality of South Upi with 11 barangays. We also have the municipality of Sultan Sa Barungis with 12 barangays, and the municipality of Talayan with 15 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Maguindanao del Sur in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARMM region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.